In this video, let's talk about how to fix Saudi bank two-factor authentication problem. Now, there can be many cases why this may be happening. The solution will depending upon whether you're experiencing the issue within the in-app biometric prompts or the Nafath integration or the traditional OTP system that you need to receive within the SMS section. So if it is a case of the Nafath application, what you need to do is make sure that it matches the Abshire data that you have added in. Also, if this is also not working out for you, then what you can also do is just close the application and then again reopen it if this is not the case for you. And if you're having issues receiving the OTP within the messaging platform, then in this situation what you could do is make sure that the date and time settings within your device is set to automatic. So simply head over to the date and time settings within your phone and make sure that it is set to automatic. Now, if this is not the case for you as well, then what you'll also need to ensure is that you have not been connected to any sort of VPN, and make sure that the developer mode is also disabled if you're currently using an Android device. So within the settings of your phone, again, search for developer mode within the search panel, and if the developer mode is enabled, make sure you disable it. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the two-factor authentication issue within the application. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.